Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Lists. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we will be cash stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of December. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So today we'll be cash stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of December. So we only have one more week left of the month and then it's the new year, which is really exciting. So this paycheck was from last week, so I didn't get a chance to film it because I got really busy with the holidays. I had my parents over and then the holidays came around, so we had some parties and family and stuff like that. And then also I just wanted to share that it's just been a crazy month. I basically had two family members pass away. Last week was my grandmother, and then during Thanksgiving it was my auntie, and this is on my mom's side. So just dealing with that and family, and it's just, you know, during a really busy time. But other than that, let's see, any other updates? The new year, I'm gonna try to launch my online shop, so stay tuned for that. I've been working a little bit here and there, trying to prepare for that. So hopefully sometime in January we'll be able to do a little soft opening. But up until then, I'll slowly show you some of the items that I'll have on there. And I'm really excited because I have some new prints for my envelopes that I'll be having on there, and then little bundles that you can purchase. And of course, a lot of you have been asking me about these little envelopes, or these are the big envelopes. And this is like a little pouch that I use to carry my cash. A lot of you have been asking about that. So I will be having this on my shop. Also, a lot of you have been asking about this holder, this cash holder. So I'll be having that on there as well. But just little updates about what I'm planning to do, but I'll go more into that later on. Okay, so let's go ahead and cash stuff. So today we have a total of $570, and this is the little breakdown of what I'm doing this time. In the past, I only stuffed my on-the-go binder and then either or of the short-term or long-term binder. But since we have 3 paychecks in this month, I decided to go ahead and stuff both binders, the long-term and short-term, and then of course the on-the-go binder. So this is my little breakdown of how much I'm gonna allocate to each envelope. But let's go ahead and get started. So we'll go ahead and count out the cash. So altogether we have 152, 253, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, and 570. Okay, so we will go ahead and stuff my short-term binder. And the first envelope we will cash stuff is bills. And bills will be getting $250. Alright, so here's 150 to 250. Okay. Alright, so all together for bills we have 1, 2, 253, 354, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, and 550. So 550 for bills. Okay, so next is golf, and golf will be getting $30. And guys, we'll be doing a golf trip. I know I said that we'll be doing a golf trip next year sometime in February, because that's what we did this past year, but it is pushed down to March, sometime in March. So I'm just saving up a little bit for that. So altogether, golf has 50, 70, 90, and 100. Okay, beauty will be getting $20. Okay guys, and I think I'm close to wanting to get my hair done, so I'm gonna try this week and make an appointment. Hopefully sometime in January I can do my hair. I will be going on a trip in the mid to later part of January, so I kind of want to do it before then. So altogether for beauty, I have 51, 150, 170, 190, and 210. So I think I'm going to try to color my hair. Okay, and travel expenses will be getting $40. Okay, so altogether, travel expenses has 50, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, and 310. Guys, do you hear all that? In the hallway, the cats are running and then Lucy is walking. Okay, and then Las Vegas will be getting $40. Lucy. Okay, so Vegas has $40. So altogether we have 51, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, and 270. Okay, so that's it for the short-term binder. Next is the long-term binder. So emergency will be getting $20. Okay. So altogether we have 1, 152, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60. So $360. Car expenses will be getting $15. So 10 and a 5. So car expenses has a total of 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. So slowly I want to build up this one because it'll be a new year and we'll have, you know, registration, safety check, and if any other issues were to come up, then at least I have some money put away for that. Okay, let's see. Gifts won't be getting anything, and holidays won't be getting anything for now. So hopefully I can start those envelopes at the start of the new year. Okay guys, sorry, my camera died and I used up all my memory, so now I'm filming from my phone. But let's go ahead and continue. I think the last thing I mentioned was that there is nothing for gifts and holidays, and hopefully I can start that up again during the new year. Okay, so Future will be getting $20. Okay, so altogether, Future has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 180. And Lucy and Dash will be getting, Lucy, Dash, and Ollie will be getting $20. I still have to change this and include Ollie's name. Okay, so that's it for my long-term binder. And lastly, we will cash stuff my on-the-go binder. All right, so I'll be giving myself $15. Okay, eating out, we'll be getting $40. All right, so 20, 30, 40. Groceries will be getting its usual $50. And then household will be getting $10. So altogether we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So we had $9 bills left in households. All right, and then there's nothing left, so I won't be contributing anything for the 100 envelope challenge. And if you haven't checked out that video, I did unstuff all of that, so I'll link the video above if you haven't seen it. But we'll go ahead and start a brand new 100 envelope challenge the beginning of the year. So with that said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you for commenting, for engaging with my channel, and also my Instagram. But I appreciate everyone's support and love, and I will see you in the next video. See you later.